No brute force, no loud exploit, just signatures that you approved. You didn't lose funds in minutes. You lost them weeks ago. I don't rush, I study systems. Multisig rules, approval rhythms. Who signs what, how fast it moves. Where trust exists, that's what I use. Weeks before I plant the base, fresh new wallet, no trace. Microtransactions test the flow, make sure everything can go. Then I build a token fake, looks legit but it's a snake. Small liquidity, fake demand, oracle trust what I command. If this wasn't a hack, this was design. You signed the deal, I just timed. No broken code, no bug to find. I used your system against your mind. This wasn't fast, it was prepared. Every step already cleared. By the time you saw the drain, I already owned the chain. Multisig, pick your strongest wall. But human sign, that's the flaw. Social engineering, silent play. I get approvals along the way. 2 out of 5, that's all I need. 0 time lock, instant speed, admin key, now it's mine. Full control of protocol design. Disable limits, remove the guard. Now draining funds won't be hard. Pre-signed transactions ready to fire. Nonce-based system never expire. Click, execute, no delay. Everything moves the plan way. Fake token used as collateral weight. Borrow real assets, inflate the state. Vault by vault, I drain it clean. USDC so wipe the scene. Millions gone in seconds flat. You watch logs, I planned that. You secured your code, but not your people. You protected logic, but not approvals. Swap it fast, convert to stable. Bridge cross-chain, now untraceable. Solana to Ethereum flow. Break the trail before you know. Split the funds, move it wide. Different wallets, let it hide. Same pattern used before the past. This is nation state class. You didn't lose in 12 minutes, understand. You lost when you approved my plan. Security isn't just code you write, it's every signature you trust at night. I didn't break drift. Didn't break drift. I didn't break drift. Drift.